Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this battery replacement: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth for dusting. Make sure to work in a well-lit area. Start by turning off your Dyson SV14 and unplugging it from the charger. This ensures safety while you work. Next, locate the battery compartment on the handle. You'll find a small panel secured by screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Be sure to keep them in a safe spot, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel away from the handle. If it feels stuck, use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry it open, being careful not to damage the plastic. Now, you'll see the battery connected by 2 wires. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling the connector straight out. At this stage, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the compartment. Use your cloth to wipe away any buildup, ensuring a clean environment for the new battery. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the wires, ensuring it clicks securely into place. After the battery is connected, align the panel back onto the handle and replace the screws. Remember, tightening the screws too much can strip the plastic, so be gentle but firm. If you're unsure about handling this process, don't worry. We offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert help if needed. After securing the panel, give your Dyson SV14 a quick visual inspection to ensure everything looks right. Now, plug it back in and allow it to charge for a few hours before testing it out. If you find the battery replacement daunting or don't have the right tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you won't have to deal with any calls or travel. We come to you, making the process as easy as possible. Plus, you'll receive a quote before any repair work begins, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, once your vacuum is charged, turn it on to test the new battery. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the battery on your Dyson SV14. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.